Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Gardenscapes application on your iOS device. To download Gardenscapes on iOS, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Gardenscapes. Look for this application from Playrix and tap the Get or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password and wait for the game to download and install on your device. Right after you are done, you will then be able to see the Open button which you should press on to start playing the game. So that's how you easily download Gardenscapes on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Gardenscapes tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.